Hey friends, so welcome back. In this video, I will tell you your subconscious mind and your happiness. William James, father of America psychology, said that the greatest discovery of the 19th century was not in the realm of physical sense. The greatest discovery was the power of the subconscious mind, touched by faith. In every human being is that limited reservoir was power which can overcome any problem in the world. True and clear realization that you can overcome any weakness. The day you can realize that your subconscious mind can solve your problem, heal your body, and prosper you beyond your foundest dream. You may have felt very happy you child was born, you when you got married, when you graduate from college, or when you won a great victory or prize. You might have been very happy. You become engaged to the loveliest girl or the most handsome man. You could go and list innumerable experiences which have made you happy. However, no matter how marvelous these experiences are, they do not give me real lasting happiness. They are transitory. The book of Proverbs gives the answer. Whosoever trusted in the Lord, happy is we. When you trust in the Lord, the power of wisdom of your subconscious mind to lead, guide, govern, and direct all your ways, you will become pause and relax as you radiate love, peace, and good will do all. You are really building superstructure of happiness for all the day of your life.